Hello everyone, this is Monica and welcome here Think Passive Income. If you are a beginner and you are looking how you can set up a brand new WordPress site on Cloudways, now let's see. To set up a new WordPress site on Cloudways, first is create an account on Cloudways, which is completely free. Now go to your Gmail box, where there you have to activate your account. After verifying your ID, you automatically comes on Cloudways dashboard. Now here you will see server size. For more sites, 1 GB is perfectly suitable. Second, you will see location. To get the maximum speed of your website, you need to choose a place which is closest to your visitors. For example, if your visitors from US, choose New York. You can now launch your website WordPress site. If you will find any difficulties to see your WordPress website, so go to application management and click on access details. There you can see application URL and just click on them. You will automatically go to your WordPress site. Finally, we have just got our WordPress site. You can access this site from anywhere. If you see domain name, this is just a temporary. How you can change this is to your own domain name later in this. But we will do that. Let's see. How you can log into this WordPress site. Before login, just go to domain. You can see on the above. Simply just put /login after the exciting domains. Then you can see login page will be open. Now go to Cloudways website and go to application management. Click on the access details. There you can see admin panel, username and password. Copy the username and password and paste on the WordPress username and password. Finally, you got this is where you can control your WordPress site. It's called dashboard. Just visit the WordPress site. Now you will see our site is using the Cloudways domain name. Let's see how you can change this to your own domain name. First, get a new domain. Go to GoDaddy and simply purchase with your selected name. Example, yoursite.com. Go to search box. Click to continue to cart. Fill what they are asking, pay them, that's it. Go to Cloudways website. Now you can see application management. They put the third domain management. Just click on this. You will see primary domain. Fill your domain name and save changes. Now you can check. Go to directly access details. Just click on this and you can see your domain name has been added in the application URL. Final step, add this IP address to your domain. Go to your domain website account and go to DNS. There you can see in DNS management, the first line is starting from A. So just click on the edit and add the IP address. After added IP addresses, come to Cloudways website and come to access detail option. You can see public IP. Just copy from there and put on the DNS management, which is already available in GoDaddy or whatever from where you have purchased your domain name. Just put the public IP number in .2 box and save it. Now your domain name successfully added to your website. Go to WordPress and refresh it. Now you can see your personal domain name. This is how you can add a new domain to your WordPress site on Cloudways. But you can see there is insecure. I mean there is no lock. To get the lock symbol, you need to add an SSL certificate to your website. Now let's see how you can add SSL to your website. To add SSL, go to Cloudways account. Click on SSL certificate option, you will find email address and domain name they are asking. Just fill email ID and domain name and install certificate. Click on it. Our site is now secured with SSL. This is how you can add free SSL to your website on Cloudways. As you can see, we are still on the Cloudways trial. You are fully free to use this hosting on site for 3 days. Once you are happy with that performance side of your speed, keep your site forever. By upgrading your account on Cloudways, click on upgrade my account. Fill your billing information, and after filling billing information, click on authorize. Finally, your Cloudways account will be upgraded. Now you can use ever and forever. There is something surprising for you, a free bonus offer. If you will buy Cloudways hosting through my link, you will get bonus. Exciting! What is kind of bonus is this? I have given link below. So my final conclusion, never go with free domain and hosting, because your site will be not safe. Even they can close anytime their service. That's not good for you and your upcoming visitors. I hope you satisfied with this. Still have doubt? Comment below. Share to who need it. Best of luck and thank you so much.